In this video, I am going to share with you a magic hair oil that will double your hair growth, make your hair long, black and shiny. To make this hair oil, you need amla, aloe vera, curry leaf, onion, hibiscus flower, butterfly pea flower, hibiscus leaf and coconut oil. Before cutting the aloe vera leaf into small pieces, you must remove the yellow toxins from the aloe vera leaf. Cut the washed aloe vera leaf into small pieces. Remove the unwanted parts of the hibiscus flower. Remove the green parts of the butterfly pea flower. Cut the hibiscus leaves into small pieces. Separate the curry leaves from the stem of the plant. Grate the amlas using a grater. Chop the onion using a knife. Add equal amount of coconut oil into the mixture. It is always better to use virgin coconut oil. Heat the mixture in low to medium flame. When the color starts turning light brown like this, switch off the flame immediately. If you continue boiling after this stage, the oil will turn way too dark. It takes just a few minutes for the oil to turn very dark, so pay close attention and remove at correct stage and let cool down the oil. Take a glass container, strain the oil. You can use this oil as a daily application oil or as a massage oil before hair wash. I hope you find this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video.